Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I bought an actual vlogging camera, which is so crazy because I've been on YouTube for so many years and I've never had a vlogging camera before, but I got one and I love it. I don't know what got into me, but I just really want to start vlogging a lot more. I think it's because like I've been watching so many vlogs on YouTube and it's like my favorite thing to watch on YouTube right now. It just made me really want to vlog. So vlogging camera, check. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. Wish me luck. Let's see how it goes. I have to get used to using this. The viewfinder is like up top, so like I don't know if I should look in the lens or in the viewfinder. It's gonna take me a second, so just bear with me. Okay, so today is Memorial Day weekend. Mondays are like crazy busy for me, but because it's a holiday, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna finally do all the things that I've been needing to do. The plan is to shoot some content, to work out, to run some errands. Keep in mind that this is a little bit different for me, so if you don't love this vlog the first time, at least come back and watch the second one because I'm sure it'll get better. And if you guys have any feedback or anything, make sure you leave them for me in the comments. Let's get this day started. First thing I really want to do is just do a quick workout. This is the pre-workout that I like to take. So the reason I take pre-workout before I work out is because I feel like it gives me like a little bit of an extra boost of energy. Sometimes if I'm not in the mood for working out, which is often, I force myself to work out by taking pre-workout, and then it's like I start to feel like energized and it makes me want to work out. So it's like all psychological really. A scoop, add some water. I am going for a run. I just have been eating so bad over the weekend, so I feel like I need to just like do some cardio. And then during the week I usually do a lot of weights. Can you guys hear me? I usually do a lot of weights during the week, and then on the weekends I usually do more cardio. Shake, shake, shake. That tastes so good. Do not mind this mess here. Let's just completely ignore that. So I have, why is it so dark? How do I make this brighter? I still need to figure out this camera, you guys, so bear with me. Little training shorts, a little tank. Whenever I go running outside, I like to wear a hat because the sun is not good for your face, so it helps protect my face. And then I have my little runners. Okay, now the light's better. I gotta figure out the lighting. Right now, I'm just doing a little stretch before I go for my run. Am I procrastinating? Just a little. The only thing that gets me through running is like really good music. So I have a playlist that I've kind of just been working on for over a year, just adding music to it. As long as the music is really good, and I can go running. I don't really run for that long. I usually do about 3 miles. Okay, no more procrastinating. Let's do this. Are you guys seeing this sweat? My hair is literally drenched. I'm starting to time myself again. I need a towel. So I usually do 3 miles in like 20 minutes. Today it took me 25 minutes because it's been a while since I've gone running. I didn't think it was that hot today. It was hot. If you work out outside, make sure you wear sunscreen, you guys. Right after I work out, I always do a protein shake. This one right here, the Fit Whey Protein from Women's Best. Cheers. This needs ice. I came out here and I was gonna start filming, and then I kind of got cleaning. I started cleaning and now I'm like on this like cleaning vibe. This is my makeup room. I'm like pretty positive I've showed this to you guys before. This is where I actually film my like little table. Look at this. Yep. This is a disaster, so I need to clean all of this up. I want to clean up this area, so I want to move this over here, put my brushes over there, just like do a little bit of cleaning before. I kind of just wanted to film a quick makeup look. I have to show you guys, look at the setup before I start filming. Ta-da! It's so beautiful and clean. I love it when it's like this. This is my view when I'm filming. Oh, I wish I can keep it this clean all the time, but it just never happens. Okay guys, I'm just gonna get right into it. That is all my makeup, you guys. I did not set the concealer and I love how it looks. Just finished filming. Why does this look so orange? Looking in this camera right now, I feel like my concealer is not the right shade. Oh my god, it's so bright. Ah! Anyways, do we like it? Let me show you guys my outfit. I have just a cute little tank, fun little purse to go with the top. I added all gold accessories. The weather's super nice outside, so I wanted something to keep me cool. I'm actually gonna try to shoot a couple of pics before I go. Maybe like I'll try to, if I can find some good lighting. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look at this highlight. Obsessed. Okay, gonna shoot some pics. Not bad, you guys. Little mini photo shoot by myself on a tripod. I just felt kind of cute in this fit, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take some pics. I really like how these ones turned out. I did a couple of close-ups and I love it. This is zero editing. When you have good lighting, you guys, you do not need to edit your pics. I'm telling you, it's all about the lighting. Let's do a quick makeup check, you guys. It's been a few hours, so I'm definitely looking like a little bit shiny here, but everything else, I feel like my skin looks really nice. Like there's a little bit of shine. Once I get a natural light, I'll be able to tell a little bit better. I need to go to Victoria's Secret because I went there the other day and I got a couple of seamless underwear and they are so good. You literally like wear them and you can't see absolutely any lines at all when you're wearing jeans, pants, anything. So now I want to go back and get a few more because they're so good. I'll show them to you guys after I get them. I need to stop at the grocery store and get groceries for the week. That will help me make sure that I eat right, because when I don't have groceries in my house that are healthy, that's when I always end up eating terrible. I need to get used to looking at the lens and not the viewfinder. I'm way too self-conscious to bring the vlogging camera into the mall, you guys, so I'm just gonna use my iPhone for now, and hopefully I'll get more comfortable with it. Just came back from the grocery store. If you guys want me to do a grocery haul in my next vlog, let me know in the comments. Let me show you guys these like seamless thongs that I totally recommend. So they were having a sale. Perfect timing. They were on sale for $5 each, 7 for $35, which is a really good price because they're usually, I think, like $15 for one, and I got $5. I got them on sale for $5 each, which is amazing. Okay, so I'll show you guys. I got a bunch of stuff. What's up with this camera angle? Okay, here we go. Is that better? No, that's weird. That's fine. Why am I getting so excited about underwear? There's no excuse. Okay, so these, oh shit. Oh, I got the wrong ones. I can't believe it. I can't believe I got the wrong ones. I got the wrong ones, you guys. Oh my god. I can't believe I got the wrong ones. I'm so sad right now. I cannot believe I got the wrong ones. Okay, let me just show you. They're seamless. They have literally no seam at all. So when you wear them with jeans, pants, whatever, anything, they're completely invisible. But I meant to get the thongs and I got the full back. So I have to go return these and get the right ones. I cannot believe that was just, oh, that is so annoying, you guys. Anyways, we're gonna chill out because it's not that big of a deal. It's fine. It's been a long day, you guys. It's 8 o'clock. I'm gonna make dinner and then I'm gonna sit down and try to edit this vlog to see how it looks and see what the vibe is. And I just want to say, not to sound like a broken record, but I'm sorry. My foundation skincare routine situation, my makeup looks so good, and I filmed like hours and hours ago. I don't know how long ago, but it's been all day and my makeup looks so good. So I will definitely be using those products in another video. Okay, dinner, edit, and then prep for the week. That's something I kind of like to do, even though today's technically Monday because it's a long weekend. I usually do it on Sunday nights where I'll just like prep for the week to figure out what I have going on, and maybe I'll check in with you guys when I'm editing the vlog just to see how it's going. All done editing. First vlog, a first official vlog is in the books. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's still my first one, so they're only gonna get better from here. And don't forget guys, leave me any comments or feedback that you have, and I'll see you in my next video.